conflict escalating, what to do in the markets, we got you covered. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you guys can beat this bear market on what I believe to be one of the biggest trades coming up ever, what we could possibly do to make a lot of money off of this, and show you guys there's still opportunity in the markets no matter if it's going up or down, and you don't have to do risky things like buying call options and doing puts and levering your money in that way. So let's go ahead and get in the video, get in the charts, check it out. And as you can see, we're looking at Bitcoin. We're going to be talking about Russia, Ukraine, how people are making bank runs and can't really get their money out of the bank because they have shut them down from the SWIFT system. And this is why crypto is so important. Also, we have news about inflation that is going to get absolutely out of control. So I want to give you guys some ways to make money in the bear market. But on the short term, Bitcoin has this small ascending support here, but what's more important is on the bigger time frame. So if we see ever since the large crash back here about a month ago, you can see that we've been making higher lows, higher lows, higher lows each time we come down. So if we stay on this trajectory, we will end up moving up, and this is actually very, very bullish because of this structure here forming this bullish pennant. And so if we can test the top of this line here and come back down and bounce around in here, that would be forming this shape. But right now we have this ascending support and resistance and descending support and resistance, and we are in this structure formation. The reason why we look at Bitcoin so much because it will move first before the altcoins. The altcoins will follow. Then the flow of money will go to the altcoins, and it'll become altcoin season, and then the money will go back into Bitcoin, and that's just how the money flows in crypto. But also, if you want to do things to beat the bear market and short the NASDAQ, short SPY, and you don't want to buy call options, which are very risky, or you don't want to venture into that, or you don't have the money for the leverage for that, you can buy SPXS or SQQQ. And what these do are leverage positions against the ETF. So as the ETFs go up, they go down, and as the ETFs go down, so as SPY and NASDAQ, which control the market because they are the market, these are basically the market's way to measure the market. This is basically tech stocks and stuff like that, and this NASDAQ mostly is composed of the SPY, or mostly makes up the SPY, which is like the meter of the stock market. But as these go down, these positions here, if you buy these with your brokerage, either Webull or E-Trade, whatever the case may be, links down in the description for free stocks and free crypto, you can get these and buy these, and these will go up. And as you can see, since the stock market has been going down, these have been going up. And as you can see, as the stock market was going up, they were going down. So they're good leverage positions. Also, another great play, a little bit more risky to some people's opinion, but not if you do the research and the due diligence, such as I have, AMC and GME, because of the stock market plumbing and the shorts and them getting greedy from this last run up. Now are getting squeezed and squeezed tighter and tighter. They have to pay for their positions. They have to pay for that leverage to cover their shorts against these two particular stocks. And when they do, it causes a massive amount of buying, like we've seen here in this run up back here in the summer of 2021. And same on GME. We've seen a couple run ups several times that you could have made a lot of money on, where we ran up hundreds of dollars per share. You could have made a ton of money on any of these plays several times, trading them, or just even holding them, trading them and holding them, and holding and waiting for the squeeze, which will be a run up several times larger than this. It could go to speculatively saying 1,000 to 5,000 per share once the market begins to crash and these start to spiral out of control. They're forced to cover their positions as margin calls come in from their lenders and prime brokerages, and it causes a cascading effect, which will cause something similar to this. which they do warn about happening. So these are great market hedges against the stock market crash, which is inevitably coming. So if you think that we've seen some pain now, I guarantee you more pain is on the way because of all this uncertainty with Russia, and all of the stuff that's been going on lately. When they printed all this money, they printed 40% of US dollars last year, and that's what's causing the hyperinflation. Don't let anyone fool you. This is hyperinflation. That's what's causing the hyperinflation we're seeing now, and things are going to get a lot worse. Americans are going to be spending most of their money on just surviving. We're not going to have money to get for extras. All the people that make money off getting extras are also going to join the unemployment ranks because they will not be able to survive because there's no extra. So a lot's going to be happening. The economy is going to get really bad. I don't want to fear anybody, but we need to prepare for the worst and hope for the best. So it would be foolish if you invest and you want your money to be safe. It'd be foolish to not be aware of these scenarios. So I'm just putting them out there. But my portfolio is set up for this with holding Bitcoin. If the banks ever close down, I can still get my money. Um, and holding AMC and GME, because if the market crashes, then these will spiral out of control, causing the short squeeze, aka MOAS, which you can do your own research on. I advise you to, but you can also look at these channels and previous videos. So let's go ahead and move on to the social analytics for crypto. As you can see, these are the most talked about coins right now in rank and order. We have Bitcoin, Ethereum, Shiba Inu, Tezos, PancakeSwap, Dogecoin, Baby Dogecoin, SafeMoon. These are shit coins basically. Ripple, Cardano, etc. XRP. The fear is extremely high, which normally means a good time to buy. When the greed is high, it's a good time to sell or de-risk your position, which means lever out or re-leverage your position so you get your position free. Because if you trade it and do it right, you can get all of this stuff free, and it actually costs you no money because you can get your money back. But that's swing trading and day trading and holding. And you guys can check out my other videos for that. If you look at AMC, we closed at 1766. But this is what I really want to point out here, that this short interest is increasing dramatically, which is something we want to see, as short interest goes up 11% higher than we previously were reported on 131. Short interest getting absolutely out of control. Call options in the money. We could see some gamma squeezing, and what happens when you get gamma squeezing, FOMO and shorts covering, you get the run up like we've seen back here. So we could get some gamma because we do have calls in the money to 29,000 calls in the money if we get above $18. So we'd have to get above $18 on this upcoming Friday. But this is last week's data. I do want you guys to be aware of that because the market is closed until Monday, and I will be doing a report on Monday after the market closes. As you can see right here is the crypto bubbles. We're seeing overall red in the market, and this is basically the video. I just wanted to make you guys aware of a few of the market hedges that you guys can take against these bad market positions, reasons why you might want to hold your money and funds in Bitcoin and crypto and not just put it in a bank, because we see what happens over there in Russia. If something like that happened over here, and this war can easily escalate and become a global conflict. I don't want anyone to be scared. I just want you guys to be aware. So let's go ahead and scroll through this as I end the video. This is just Reddit, a great place to get information on stocks and crypto. So I just want everyone to be safe, keep making money, stay safe, keep making money, keep hacking. Peace out. So that was the video. Hopefully you found it informative. If you did, go ahead and drop a like, subscribe for more content, and as always, have fun, stay safe, keep hacking, make money. Peace out.